And thank you once again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. This here's one of our larger gearboxes we did for one of our forging plants out here in the Southern California area. The gearing was hand dressed. We manufactured a new output shaft to OEM specs. We are preparing to reassemble our lid and reset all our bearing floats. Right here, our associate Rick is manufacturing one of our new couplings. This is going to be fitted with a 3000 interference fit onto the shaft. Once this box is complete, National Gear Repair will be doing a preliminary testing. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. All work is guaranteed for 24 months. Free quote and free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. Thank you. Hey, thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. Our gearbox is now complete. National Gear manufactured a new drive shaft, repaired some gearing, replaced all bearings and seals from the OEM. We're now applying some of our stickers, and obviously got to fill with oil prior to use. And National Gear offers free freight, free pickup, and free quotes nationwide. And we specialize on large gearboxes, single and dual extruders, gearboxes for the forging industry, all types of mixing gearboxes like Falk, Philadelphia, Lightning. It's one of our Falk boxes out there. As you can clearly see in the back there, a couple of Lufkin extruders. Have another couple of Kraus-Maffei German dual extruders. We're doing a repair on that side. This is for one of our plants up north in Northern California. This is for the public transportation utilities. Doing adjusting on one of their high-speed pinions. National Gear resetting all the bearing floats and the backlash properly, accurately, I should say. Please note the National Gear Repair is specialist. We're not just gearbox repair guys, we're specialists. We take old gearboxes that are old, obsolete, that you can no longer buy boxes for on the shelves no more, especially when they come to extruder boxes. Those things are 40 weeks out from Germany, from Italy. National Gear Repair can get you up and running in 24 to 48 hours. We have different options that we could utilize here in the Southern California area. And all our work is warranty tested and comes with a 24-month warranty from the date of install. So if you happen to repair something for you all, your warranty doesn't start until you actually put it in production, not while it sits on the shelf. Thanks again for watching.